Let's look into how you can get to fix an app not installed error. This is something which is common with most Android phone, and I'll be taking you through how you can get to fix this in just less than 2 minutes. If you do love my videos, kindly just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course smash that like button for me, as I would really appreciate. So the first thing you'll need to do is to head to your phone setting. I'll just be taking you through step by step with my phone right here. Go to your on this spot. I want you to look into you get to come to the option of the apps and notifications. On some phones it will be apps and notifications, but for my case it's just apps. So when you are here, I want you to scroll down here, and I want you to come into this option of see all the that is the app management, and then I want you to scroll down here and you come to the option of Google Play services, and you can see it's right here. On this section, I want you to scroll down here, and you're going to see the option of storage use, and then you'll be required to clear the caches. For my case, I've already cleared them. So for your case, if you haven't so far, you need to clear them. So I'll just go ahead and get to clear them, and then I want you to come back. Let's go back to the apps. While you are here, I want you to scroll down here and you get to look for the Google Play Store. You get to do the same. You come to storage usage, and you'll also need to do the same thing that I've already done for the case of the Google Play services. You'll be expected to clear the caches, and I've already done that. So let's go back. Hopefully you're following around what I'm showing you, since this is the best way to fix that not installed error, which normally happens when you try to install a new application into your phone. So after going back to this option, I want you to come and you get to look for the Google Play Store, and for this case I want you to come to this management notification, and then I want you to make sure that these options, they are all turned on. You can see the update available. You also have the update completed, and of course the setup. Make sure these ones, they are all turned on. Another thing also to make sure you get to look for is to come to this button right here. You can see remove permission and free up the space. So that's something which is also important for you to do. So from here, I want you to go back to your settings and the app and the notification option. Just go back, and for this case I want you to, let me just open the apps. I want you to look for this button right here, the special app access, which is very crucial for you to access. From here you'll be expected to look for the modify system settings, and for this case you need to make sure the application that you're trying to install is allowed. That for the case of the Google Play Store, it's allowed also for the Google Play services as well as Google, so that once you get to download the application from the store, it can be accepted by the system. Another thing also to make sure is turned on is to come to this device and app notification. This whereby you'll be receiving all your notifications. Also make sure that there's something which is the application, they are all allowed, so that that application that you are facing some errors and difficulties to install, it will be accepted now into your phone. So it's that simple. The last thing that's required for you to do is to just go ahead and restart your phone, and after you come back, go back to your Play Store, download the application, and by now it should work perfectly. So if you have found some value and you love the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course share with a friend, leave a comment, and I really appreciate. Thank you guys.